Hey everyone. Well, I'm currently sitting here at my computer and I got a little something to show you. So, around the roughly later part of January, okay, I decided to go on the Speed Queen's website and, just have a look at what the reviews could be of their new redesigned top-loading washers because they've been on the website for a while. I think since maybe roughly sometime in December, maybe late December or something. But anyway, on their top-of-the-line model, I had an overall rating, I think, of 3 stars. It had 1 positive review, 1 negative review. Okay, now let's have a look at the negative review that I have right here. Let's open it up. All right, let me just get in closer because you probably can't read that right now. There we go. Okay, so, alright, so this review was done by user Kimmy538. Okay, 1 star, and let's see what it says. Worst month of my life. Had to send it back. Wash was just as dirty when it came out. My husband gets his work clothes dirty, and he asked me why I didn't wash his clothes. I told him I did. He said, "That's it, the machines are going back. Sorry, Speed Queen, you lost a long-time customer. Not an employee of Alliance, as you can see, and they do not recommend this product." So with that said, there it is. Later on, I decided to check out their website again, see if they got any reviews, any other reviews since then. And of course, I found something very interesting. So let's go ahead and go to their website right now. Okay, let's go to Speed Queen's website. All right. Okay, now already you can already see the difference. There's top load washers, and look at that, it has 5 stars. Very interesting. So we'll click on that. Okay, here's their website, and there's the TR7 again, and look, 5 stars. Very interesting. Let's click on that once again, and we'll scroll down. There's a new control panel and everything. Let's go to the review section. Check that out. The 1-star review is now gone. Alright. 5 stars, 5 stars, and 5 stars. So they actually took the negative review off their website, okay? Now, just for the record, I can understand when they clear reviews when they change models. You know, that's perfectly fine because the previous reviews don't apply to the new models. But this review was put well into the new models period of time on the website, and the fact that it's not there now is pretty suspicious, isn't it? As a matter of fact, Eugene of Lorraine Furniture, I'll throw a link to his channel in the video description. Okay, he made a post on automaticwasher.org that Speed Queen was removing reviews from their website. So I'm not the only one who's seeing this. As a matter of fact, I'll put another link in the video description to that thread so you can see what they're talking about. It just goes to show you, I don't at all regret getting the machine that we got, not at all. But you can see that they're really heading the wrong direction here. Taking off negative reviews on their website, and it's like, just wow. So much for honesty, huh? Let's get out of there. But you know what? The good news is, it just goes to show you, okay? When you delete something off the internet, it is not fully deleted. Because I got a screenshot right here. So, beat that. So, there you have it, guys. Just another bad move, and I guess we'll see how the direction goes from here, huh? But so far, it doesn't look too good. So, as usual, thank you very much for watching, and take care.